Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. Talking about Yemen. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. We're talking about Yemen. Yeah, man. Well, we went on our way on a bright and sunny day from Yemen. Yeah, man. With our bags on our backs and our big fat sleds from Yemen. Yeah, man. In a little big town on a big little rock, and a helicopter that they tried to block my view. Well, the people of that town, they treated us like clowns. I wish I had a shield or something to block their view of me. Well, they didn't like our bags or our big fat slacks. They didn't like our music. They said it was too relaxed. Talking about Yemen, yeah man, oh yeah man. Talking about Yemen, yeah man, oh yeah man. Talking about Yemen, yeah man, oh yeah man. Talking about Yemen, yeah. Well, we have those silly people in that silly town, without doing a tender, without a frown, oh yeah. And then a dancing dog, it was an Irish red setter, it danced like a ferret, it was pretty hilarious. It was all in the distance in the pale moonlight, big tall keen fin, plots and all right, oh yeah. We rolled the dice and we tried our luck, we won $1 million now, what the fuck, oh yeah. For the Hardcore Priests of Yemen, we'll soon be coming at you with a show called Snow White and the 7 Hardcore Priests of Yemen. You can catch us at Body and Soul Electric Picnic with that. We've got a 12-foot high woman!
It's true!